Hi everybody, this is 5 minutes training and we're discussing common Turkmen phrases today. This is part 1. Salam, hello, hoş geldiniz, welcome. Nähili, how are you? Go'ume, is everything alright? Go'uy, Sagbolun, fine, thank you. Kawat, sometimes. Men bilmeýärin, I don't know. You'll also hear most of the time people saying Bilemok, I don't know. Men bilýärin, I know, or bilýän, I know. Köplenç, in most cases. Düşünmedim, I did not understand. Düşündim, I understood. Köp Sagbolun, thanks a lot. Minnettar, I'm grateful. Hawa, yes. Yok, no. Bagyşlaň, I apologize. Näme what happened? Edilödi, exactly. Hökman, for sure. Hakyky, true. Hemişe, always. Şuun, today. Dün, yesterday. Hova gowy, it is nice weather. Tercüme, translation. Doğru tercüme, correct translation. This is it for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Sağ olun. Goodbye.